Guys, we got a CN train number 8896, and we have another CN train number 2259. This one looks like it's stopping. Okay guys, I'm gonna get up on the mountain and oh, you! Dang it, he scared the shit out of me. There he goes. This one is waiting for another train, I think. Oh yeah, he's in the third lane, bro, and he's slowing down. I just about missed him. I think he might be switching, or there's another train in the second lane. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Whoa, that looks cool, bro. What are those things? Whoa, it looks like it could be pieces for a bridge or something. Yeah, there's one piece. I don't know what the fuck these are for, guys. So let me know in the comments what these are going to be used for. This one looks burnt. I'm thinking these are going to be used for fridges. No. Jesus, why did I say fridge? Yeah, as you can see, train tracks are already at the bottom. I feel like they're going to be using them for bridges or tunnels. Now he's going faster. I have a feeling there's going to be another one in the second lane coming. This guy's in the third lane, so he's going to block my view just in case there's another one coming. Getting a lot of speed. He's going about 15 right now, or 20. Okay, I don't know why the hell he was slowing down. The reason I'm thinking is because we had to wait for another train. Now he's going up because I think he can beat the train, but there's a oil tankers pass because these are the most dangerous types of train cars. You do not want to drive oil tankers, but that's what I'm going to do, being a train engineer when I grow up. Shit, why is it cold even though it's sunny? Oh, CN train number 2879. 2879. Sorry guys, I couldn't make it onto the Rocky Mountain before I saw the train. I thought it was like a big truck in the CN parking lot, but then I remembered the CN wasn't busy. So, and there was a train, so thank God he was slowing down. was down off the Rocky Mountain. I'm on it right now. A Via just went by. Oh wait. Oh, here comes the train, guys. Via train. Woo! Via train, guys. You can't see it though. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Yeah, Via train. Via train number. Jesus, I can't see it. Oh, come on, freight train, please end. I couldn't tell what the fuck that train number was for the Via. Oh no. Yeah, this is getting to the end, guys. These train cars. I don't. There's one with cars in it. I can see the cars in that one. Some of these don't have cars in it. Okay, this train should end in a sec. There's CP, Canadian Pacific. That looks different. The logo looks different. Okay, there's the end. Yeah, there's the Via Rail, guys. That's the back end. This one came from Ottawa. Okay, the Via train number 6408. 6408. 6408. Hopefully it doesn't scare me. Jump, that means I got scared. Because I'm just one car away from this honk. I'm wearing my strongest fucking headphones. These actually worked, but I stand at the fucking fourth car. Yeah, so this, I'm actually at the... Stand back here so it doesn't scare me as that bad. I don't want it to scare me, guys, because that would ruin the video. 6408. There it goes. Via train number 917. 917, guys. Via train number 917 at the back. Oh, the train honk wasn't that loud, actually. I thought it was going to be loud. Okay, guys, well, that was a good meet. CN train and a Via, both with 2 engines. Well, the CN had a front 2 engines, and the Via had one at the back. Okay, bye-bye.